Silence in space does not mean stillness. Far above Earth, the moon may look calm and frozen in time, but new discoveries tell a very different story. Scientists studying high-resolution images have found fresh faults and steep cliffs across the lunar surface. These features reveal that the moon is still shrinking and remains geologically active, even billions of years after its formation. As the moon slowly cools, its interior contracts. This gradual shrinking causes the crust to wrinkle and crack, forming long cliff-like structures called scarps. Some of these cliffs stretch for miles and rise several stories high. What surprised researchers most is how young many of these features appear. Their sharp edges and lack of heavy cratering suggest they formed relatively recently in geological terms. Evidence shows that some of these cracks may have formed within the last few 100 million years, which is extremely recent compared to the moon's age. Even more striking, data suggests that moonquakes are still happening today. These small seismic events occur when stress builds up along the faults, causing the surface to shift and break. This discovery changes how scientists think about the moon. For a long time, it was considered a dead world with no internal activity. Now it appears the moon is slowly evolving, reshaping itself bit by bit. The process is quiet and slow, but it is very real. Understanding lunar activity is also important for future exploration. As humans plan long-term missions and possible settlements on the moon, knowing where faults and unstable areas exist becomes critical. Even small shifts in the ground could affect equipment, habitats, and safety. Beyond science and exploration, the idea itself is fascinating. The moon has watched over Earth for billions of years, reflecting sunlight and guiding tides. Knowing it is still changing reminds us that nothing in the universe is truly frozen. Even worlds that seem still are quietly alive beneath the surface. The moon is not just a relic of the past. It is a dynamic body with an ongoing story, written in cracks, cliffs, and subtle tremors. Fun fact: some lunar cliffs formed by shrinking are tall enough to rival the height of Earth's largest skyscrapers.